Alright, so Salty gets his first one. As soon as we stop. As soon as we start. Yeah, good boy. Oh, I forgot to put your... You want to do some rollovers? Come on. One. Good boy. You do another one? We always do a couple of these first. Because then he knows. Come on. He knows it's trick training time. That's right. Good boy. Good boy, Salty. Oh, that was a little tiny one. We'll do some more of those later. Let's do circles. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good boy. Very good, Salty. Ah, those are little ones, huh? Come on, just up. So the next one we do is a hand trick. We do some Good job. What a good boy. Yes, he is. Yeah. Oh my God, that was so lame. Here, you get a little one for that. All right, let's do your new trick. Show everybody how you play pool. Here we go. Salty. Come on. You can do it. Come on, no, put it in the hole. Hey. You can do it. Come on. You can get it. Go ahead. Oh, you dropped it. Come on. Oh, you're going to do that? Come on, put it in the hole. You know how to do it. Oh, yeah, huh? Good boy. Want to do another one? Do one more. You can get it. Keep going. Yeah, good boy. Good job, Salty. All right, let's do your harness right away. Right? Let's do some harness training. Show everybody how good you do that. Hopefully better than you just played pool, but that's okay. So we put down one on the edge. Right? And then we put the bowl right here so you can put his head right through. And then we just slip it over his shoulders. Then get a few free ones. There you go. Right? Give another one. And we just give a little shake over here so let him know that's what he's doing. Right, buddy? Good boy. Let him walk around a little bit. Good job, Salty. Put one way over there. Good boy. You pick him up. Shake this a little bit so he knows that's where he's getting a treaty. Right? You going to shake hands? Good boy. How about give me 5? Yeah, good job. Good boy. This is his favorite part now. What are we going to do? Off. And he pulls his head out. There you go. Good boy, Salty. And we always let him do something psychologically beneficial. Right? And what we do, we throw it away. Also another favorite part of his trick. Hey, buddy. Here, throw it away. Good job. Thank you, Salty. Hey, you want your treaty for that? Yeah. Now we move on to the musical portion of our program. Come on. Oh, what happened? What happened? We lost the batteries? Oh, we did. We lost the battery. There we go. Oh, try again. Let Daddy try again. Hold on. All right, go ahead. Yeah, good boy. You sang too. You want to do another one? Good boy. Do one more for Daddy. Good job. Thank you, Salty. He's a good boy. Let's try one you haven't done in a while. Ready? Gonna play some cards? Come on. Spread out the cards and give Daddy the kings. All right, one. Good. Come on. Two. Three. Good boy. One more. There's one more. No, that's not a king. Come on. Hey, where is it? There it is. Good boy. Good boy, Salty. You got them all. He's being a little clumsy, huh? Want to play Where Is It? We'll play a quick Where Is It? Ready? Yeah, where is it? There it is. Come on. There it is. You give it back to Daddy? Oh, you're going to throw it away? All right. You can do that. Can we go to the bank? Well, let's go to the bank. Yeah, good boy. Good boy, Salty. Very good. Yeah. Let's try another one. A real quick one, huh? Use your ladder. Come on. We're going to do the reverse ladder. Come on. There we go. Come on. All the way up. Good job. Come on down. The object here is eventually to do this completely upside down. Yeah, good boy. What a good birdie. Shall we go shopping? Will we go shopping, Miss Salty? Yeah. Put the carrot in. Good boy. All right, let's go shopping. Good boy. Very good. Nice and straight. I have the carrot. Good job, Salty. All right, now we're going to bring it back because we're good shoppers, right? Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. All right, we're going to do your cuppies, right? Do some cups. This is one of the first tricks that we taught Salty, and it's still a favorite. All right, buddy, come on. There's one there. Give it to Daddy. Oh, you forgot one. Hey. There you go. Oh, you're too fast. Too fast for me. Good boy. Come on, last one. Oh, thank you, Salty Bird. Will you put him back? Come on, you gonna put him back for me? Good boy. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you found one, huh? Good boy. You're doing this really good, Salty, huh? And the last one? Good boy. Very good. You're so talented. There's another one here. Yeah, you're going to give me a rattle? Yeah? Yeah, I know. You like talking to that. Let's do another hand trick. So we do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good, Salty. Good boy. Yeah. He's so good. You can do my favorite trick? That's a good one. That was a very good one. right, let's do one of Salty's favorites, which is his rings. He loves doing this one. Come on. All right, come on back. Good boy. What a smarty, huh? You want your treaty? Let's do all three. 3-ring circus. Come on back. Good boy, Salty. Yeah. And he also loves this trick. You do some flippies? Come on. 1, 2. He figured this trick out all on his own. You could do another one? Come on. Good boy. Very good, Salty. You're such a good boy. We're going to do a little bit of colors. We won't do all of them because that takes a while. What we will do is like 2 or 3 of each one. How's that sound? And we take 3 red and we take 3 yellow. Okay? Come on. There you go. Yellow. Good boy. Yeah. Red. Very good, Salty boy. Come on, do the rest. Yellow. Yellow. Messes with my head sometimes. Yeah, that's red. Good boy. All right, one more. Red. Good job. All right, let's close them up. There's one. And do the other one. Good job, Salty. Good boy. Yeah. And another part of our musical prelude is to have Salty play some music for you. La 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 la. La 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 la. Yeah, very good. You gonna sing for me now? Come on. Good boy. Yeah, you wanna play a little bit more? Come on. La 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 la. La 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 la. Yeah, he's a good birdie. He's a very good bird. And we usually do quite a bit of put stuff in the cup, but tonight we're going to do short ones. You want to do your bell? You want to do your bell? Good job. Thank you, buddy. Come on. Give it back to Daddy. All right. He's a good boy. We don't have that many left. Would you like to? What else do we have here for Salty Bird to do? I think we're going to wind up doing some slide. Let's do some slideys and close out the program. Ready? Come on. Whee! Good job. Gonna do another one? Let's show everybody how you do the Ring of Fire. Come on. We put the red ring down there. Come on, Ring of Fire. I fell in to a burning ring of fire. All right, want to do one more? Last one. Come on. He knows it's the last one because he gets 2 treaties. All right, good boy. And then we close out with a little bit of Schnivels, which is what's ever left in the bowl. And we say, Salty, you want your Schnivels? Come on, you want your Schnivels? All right, good boy. And for the last trick, here, wave hello. Good boy. Say bye-bye.